Hello traders, today is Wednesday, August 31st. It's a follow-up video from yesterday where I mentioned that the market should be heading lower, but we need some evidence before we do so. Here I have the Atlas line software from DayTradeToWin. This blue dashed line here is indicating that we should be selling the market, and indeed, right here, first thing this morning, there was a signal to go short, Atlas line short at 4,013.50, and the reason why I think this signal is good is important is because it's really close here to the Atlas line. Typically I like that because it's the beginning of the move down or of the move up, in this case of the move down if it's a signal nice and close to the Atlas line. Now before I continue, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. There are risks involved with trading. So what we have here is a great opportunity to sell the market, and we have had this opportunity, but we have to do it right. So following the signals I have here, the Atlas line, let me make sure I have also the pullback and strike trades turned on in case we have those opportunities. I'm also going to turn on the Trade Scalper. This Trade Scalper method is very popular. A lot of traders use this software to allow for entries. We're going to focus on short signals only since we're below the Atlas line. And here we have, right after the main signal on the Atlas line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we may have, as the market continues lower, more short opportunities. So I'm going to focus on short trades again for today using the Atlas line and the Trade Scalper. But remember, that could change, that may change. In the event the market turns around and goes higher, all I needed to do is cross the Atlas line and start producing long signals, long opportunities, and this would be my goal as a trader, to now have and buy opportunities on the E-mini S&P. If you want to look at a 5-minute chart, I know traders usually switch between 1 minute and 5 minute depending on the volatility. So here we have a 5-minute chart, and it's very similar. We have here the main signal to go short on the Atlas line, and we have the Trade Scalper signals here for short opportunities. If you have any questions, give us a call. DayTradeToWin.com. You can find out all the information when it comes to day trading and more by visiting DayTradeToWin.com. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.